Well, hi everybody. We're going to make a berry jam today, and my jam maker right here. And let me see if I can get it up here. It's a FreshTECH. I love it. It's great if you want to make small quantities. And that's what I do now. I no longer sell my jams or jellies, and I bought this so Ray can have his jam and jellies that he likes. So I thought I would share with you today. I had a bunch of berries left over, so I said, let's make a berry jam. You can see this book is very well used by me. It's all marked up. And when you buy the FreshTECH, I get no kickbacks on this. You get a nice little booklet for making stuff for jams and jellies. So let's get started. You're going to need 2 and 3 cups of some sort of berries. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of RealFruit Classic Pectin. This is what you need. This is the only thing that works for me. So I have that right here. Then you want to have, they say a half a cup of butter for the foam, but I don't use it. I don't think it needs to be used. I don't use it. So if you want to use it, go ahead. And I have 3 1/3 cups of sugar. So in my mixed berries, I'm going to have to mix it up a little. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my oyster, 1 cup. I think this is 1 cup, maybe 2. I've gone through them. This is a 2 cup. And what I'm going to do is put my berries in there, and I'm going to mix them. And I've got grapes and melons and watermelon and trying to think, raspberries and blackberries. Just an assortment of berries here. And I've got some extra blueberries and extra strawberries. Let's see here. I'm gonna mix it around. Just looking for my Grammy spoon. It must be in the dishwasher. That's okay. We'll use this. And if you've never used one of these before, I will show you how it goes. The berries are all in there. And this is very important when you get the lid on. Just like that, and what you do is hit it. If you got sensitive ears, you might want to turn down. Okay, that's good. That's all you need. Okay, and it says it needs 2 and 2/3 cups. So I'm going to pour that right in there. And we didn't reach it. I didn't think we would, but I wanted to use what I had. We got just about 1 cup. So, got some strawberries here. These are Maine strawberries picked at Stevenson's. I did have to buy blueberries because blueberries aren't ready here yet. Whoa, we got blueberries going all over the place here. I love blueberries. And they're so good for you. I'm going to leave a little extra so I can have a snack. Let's see what it comes out with. Okay. I'm going to get the cup on. You want to secure that. Just like that. We might have to add a little more, and if we do, so be it. Ray is gonna love this. So will my aunt. I'm not sure if I'm gonna can this or I just may put it in the refrigerator. Ray will eat this right up. And my aunt, she lives in assisted living, and she loves to share whatever I bring in. They're waiting for tomatoes right now. Everybody will say, is your tomatoes ready? I'll say, no, not yet. It's been a cold spring. That's 2 cups, so we need 2/3. So I guess I'm not gonna have any blueberries. I could, but I don't. These berries have already been washed. This is a huller in case nobody knows what it is. I'm just gonna put it in. Just like this. I hope we'll make it because this is all the berries I got. If not, we'll make it work. 2/3 of a cup. I think I'll stop right there and see what we got. Okay, I hope everybody's having a grand day today. It's not so warm. It's probably in low 80s. I'm planning to go in the pool after. Got a couple here that doesn't want to go down. We can fix that. Not a problem. And actually, we got it exactly right there. Get this out of the way here. I'm trying to hurry a little. Blueberries. Okay. We have 2 and 2/3 right there. Okay, so what you want to do, you want to take your pectin. Oops, I almost forgot. My paddle. And you want to put the pectin right in, just like that. And then, that's the cover. Then what you want to do is you want to pour the berries in, just like that. And it's going to go for a few minutes, then you're going to hear 3 beeps. When you hear the 3 beeps, we're going to take the cover off, add the sugar. And that's all you do. Come over here, and you hit jam, then you hit enter, and there she goes, just like that. And when we hear the 3 beeps, I'll put the sugar in, I'll bring you right back. Okay, it beeped 3 times, so I'm adding the sugar in. Doesn't that look good already? And that's all you do. How easy is that? Then you put the cover back on. And I'll be bringing you back in 17 minutes. Okay, folks, here's the jam all done. This is my grandmother's skimmer. If it only could tell stories, you'd hear a lot, and I mean great ones. So if you got a little bit of foam, that's what the butter does. The butter takes care of the foam, but I just skim it off, and you can eat this. There's nothing wrong with this. It's just foam that comes when it's cooking. And like I said, there's nothing wrong with it at all. So there you go, folks. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ladle it. I have a funnel right here, and I am going to ladle it in the jar. Trying to see what's best for you so you can see. And we'll be right back so you can see me. There we go, right there. I'm not really sure. I don't think I'm going to can this. I've got a big one in a little jar here. This will make about 4 jelly jars, 8 ounces. But Ray's going to have a honkin' jar for him. And just put the funnel in. and just ladle it right in, just like this. Oh, this makes the best jam and jelly, as he says, and I used to sell a lot of jam and jelly. I do not personally like it. I'll eat a little bit of it, but not a whole lot of it. That's just me. This came out to be a beautiful color, and this jar will be raised, and then I will be gifting a few jars. And if he's going to eat it up, there's no sense canning it. And that's what it looks like, folks, right there. Doesn't that look delicious? Now, if you're going to can it, you want to leave a headspace right there. And depending what you're canning is what you'll go by when you're canning it. Now, this is a berry jam. You saw I had all sorts of stuff: raspberries, blueberries, watermelons, melons, strawberries, all kinds of yummy stuff in here. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And like I say, you never know what's going to be on my videos, and neither do I. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to be canning this or just gifting it, which I'm pretty sure I'm just going to be gifting it. So there you have it right there. And I still have enough probably for 2 more jars. So here you go right there. Got a little bit of jam here. So if you like this video, please give me thumbs up. And again, I use the FreshTECH jam maker. Absolutely loved it. And this is called berry jam. And here's the lids right here if you want to use them. And screw covers, I'm sorry. Here are the lids, and they claim now that the new lids, you do not need to boil them, but I will because I'm from the old school. So you just put the lid on, then the screw cap, tighten it down, and then follow your directions in your canning book. So there you have it, folks. Please like, share, and subscribe. You never know what's going to be on my videos. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.